Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a concept in algebra, graphing a quadratic function by using the vertex form and intercept. The function we will work with is y plus 1 equal x plus 5 squared. We will work together through each step of rewriting the equation, finding the vertex, determining the intercept, and sketching the graph. Along the way, I will share with you some information that will help you understand the importance of each part of the quadratic function. Okay, so the first step is to put the equation in the vertex form. And you're gonna ask me, what's the vertex form? Let me rewrite the vertex form here. Okay, the vertex form is y equal a times x minus h square plus k. Okay, so since you know now what's the vertex form mean, you're gonna understand what I mean by put this equation, this, in the vertex form. So to do that, let's get y by itself. Let me rewrite the function here so I can y plus 1 equal x plus 5 squared. To get y by itself, I'm gonna do that by subtracting 1 from both sides, okay? Which give us y equal x plus 5 all square minus 1. And now we have the equation in vertex form, okay, which generally looks like this, as I explained. Okay, let's see. Okay, this A, what it serves for. This A control the direction of the parabola. If A it's positive, the parabola opens upwards. Okay, let me do another color. The parabola opens but if A is negative, the parabola open downward. Okay, and now for H and K. H and K represent the vertex of the parabola, or the highest or the lowest point. I mean, if A is positive, as I said, the parabola gonna be open upward. So we're gonna have a lowest point. This lowest point is the vertex. But if A is negative, the parabola open downward. So we're gonna have a highest point. So as I said, H and K, let me do another color. H and K represent the vertex of the parabola. Okay, let me make it small so if you want to take a screenshot. Okay, I mean, in another way, h and k, this value give us the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, so now let's find the vertex. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite the vertex form under this, so I can show you. I want you to see how I'm gonna find h and how I'm gonna k. So I'm just gonna put the vertex form here so you can see. Okay, as we see here in the vertex form, the h is subtracted. So if we see here x plus 5, actually this x plus 5 is like this. I mean this is my way how I understand how my brain works. So if I see like, just in this example, so let me see. If we see x plus 5 is actually x negative, minus negative 5, okay? Because here in the vertex form we have h is subtracted. This means that, okay, let me see. As I said, is the vertex is h and k. That's mean our vertex has negative 5 as a h, okay? And k is gonna be negative 1. So that's make our vertex has the coordinates of negative 5 and negative 1. Did you see how I get negative 5? Look, let me rewrite it here in another color and explain. We have x plus 5 square negative 1. It wasn't like this. We make it look like this, okay? In the vertex form. The initial equation, function, it was like this, okay? And we make it look like this, okay? So, as we have in our vertex form, h is subtracted, so this is not like a 5, not a positive 5. Actually, it's negative 5. Negative 5 because we have h is subtracted. As I said, actually this x plus 5 is x minus negative 5, which give us plus 5. So the h here is negative 5. And the key is negative 1. Okay? This is the first step. We find the vertex. So the vertex is negative 5 and negative 1. The step number 2 is finding the intercept. Okay. So the x-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the x-axis or touch the x-axis and turn. At this point, or this point, the value of y is 0. I'm talking about the x-intercept. There is the value of y is 0. So to find the x-intercept, we set y equals 0 in our equation, okay? This equation, okay? So I'm gonna give it like, this is, okay, let me rewrite again the equation, okay? We're gonna set y equals 0. So gonna give us like 0 here, x plus 5. Okay, I just like to rewrite it like this. It's easier for me. I mean, you can work it like this, but just like I prefer. It's the same. I didn't do anything like these 2 steps is the same. I just like do the inverse. Okay, so we need to solve for x by first adding 1 to both sides, okay? So we're just gonna add 1 here, add 1 here, okay? That's gonna give us x plus 5 square equal 1. Then take the square root of both sides, okay? Okay, so we're gonna left with x plus 5 plus or negative 1 equal plus or negative 1. This equation gives us 2 solutions, okay? X plus 5 equal 1, x plus 5 equal negative 1. And we're just gonna solve for x. This is easy, okay? We're gonna subtract 5 here and subtract 5 here, and we're gonna left by x equal negative 4, okay? Same thing here, but we're just gonna like subtract 5 here and subtract 5 here. We're gonna give it like negative 6. So our x-intercept is negative 4 and negative 6. Negative 4, 0. Since the y value is 0, and negative 6, 0. Okay? This point shows where the parabola touches or cross the x-axis. For this example, you're gonna touch and turn. Okay? And now, the next step, we need to find the y-intercepts, okay? This occurs when x equals 0. I mean, when we say y-intercept, the y equal.
Just finish it, and then afterwards, somebody needs to session when you're done.
Is recording. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna repeat.
They can edit it.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. They edit all the videos.
They listen on it and edit it. What I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do? Let's repeat. Repeat from the beginning, okay?